Tonight we begin now with a new DUI law that goes into effect on Sunday. Our Cassidy Beyer breaks down what this means for South Carolina drivers who choose to drive under the influence.
This right here is Emma Longstreet. This month would have been her 19th birthday, rather. She was killed in a car accident 12 years ago by a third offense drunk driver. Today I spoke with her parents about the improvements South Carolina is making to their DUI laws come this Sunday.
I never got to see her finish first grade. I never got to see her ride a bike without training wheels. I'll never be a mother of a bride. Just never see her go to prom, and I keep seeing her friends and all these milestones that I'm never going to experience.
Karen and David Longstreet were on their way to church with their 4 children when a drunk driver hit their vehicle.
And I believe that this law is going to help because it's going to keep people from ruining their lives, whether they're the perpetrator or the victim.
In a couple of days, the South Carolina law will require all drivers convicted of driving under the influence to participate in the ignition interlock device program, regardless of their blood alcohol content percentage.
It will apply to all convicted DUI offenders instead of just some of the first-time offenders, and that difference is huge when it comes to protecting public safety and saving lives.
The new legislation was signed into law by Governor McMaster in May in an effort by South Carolina lawmakers to reduce the number of DUI incidents within the state.
We were the 35th state to pass an all-offender ignition interlock law, so there was plenty of research to tell us just how effective this would be. States have seen a 16% reduction on average in drunk driving deaths when they have a law this strong.
Data provided by the SC Department of Public Safety shows that in 2023, there were over 5,300 collisions involving alcohol or drugs. And of those, 367 people were killed and over 3,300 injured.
A lot of the people that didn't have to have a tragedy that you see behind us could have prevented if they would have gotten this in sooner.
Reporting from Columbia, Cassidy Beyer, News 19 WLTX.
Well, right now there are approximately 1,200 drivers taking part in the ignition interlock device program. That number is expected to more than double this next year due to this new law.